Moen quality, style, and dependability are available above and below the sink. Each garbage disposal in Moen's portfolio is built for powerful performance. The Universal Express Mount means each model fits all Moen and most existing 3-bolt mounting assemblies, and the cord is pre-installed for quick and easy installation. But the components you can't see are the keys to this disposal's dependable performance. Did you know there are no blades inside a garbage disposal? Instead, you'll find a turntable that spins at up to 2,800 revolutions per minute. The turntable's impellers toss the food waste against a grind ring, which grates it into fine particles. The grind components are made of stainless or galvanized steel, which helps extend the life of the disposal. Now, let's take a closer look at how these components work together to power your daily grind. The water must be running before turning on the disposal to help push debris into the disposal's corrosion-proof grind chamber and then on through the plumbing. Cold water is best when grinding food waste. It keeps fat solid and helps prevent clogging. Once powered on, Moen's powerful Vortex permanent magnet motor is engaged. It provides an almost immediate, high-speed burst of power, similar to many power tools, unlike induction motor disposals that start slowly and speed up gradually. Moen's Vortex motor is built to tackle tough kitchen scraps and is designed to help reduce jamming. The high speed of the turntable grinds the waste thoroughly, so there's no need for multiple grinding stages. While the Vortex motor is a powerful force, Moen's SoundSHIELD insulation is designed to help reduce motor and grinding noises to quiet your cleanup. And all Moen garbage disposals are continuous feed, which means the unit continues to grind as long as the power is on. Water carries the food waste particles through the disposal to the drain pipes. Since the Vortex motor ensures the food is ground finely, it can move safely and swiftly through the pipes and out of the home. The water and food particles then travel to a wastewater treatment plant or properly sized septic tank. Using a Moen garbage disposal not only eliminates food scrap odor in the kitchen trash, it also helps reduce waste at the landfill. Moen garbage disposals are built with the thoughtful design and high quality you expect from Moen. For performance you can trust, above the sink and below.